Hello everyone, welcome to our new episode of Everything Outdoors, and in this episode I'm here at Grassland National Park in Saskatchewan, Canada, and I just got hands on my first drone, so I thought why not go for a hike and fly the drone to take some cinematic footage of my hike. So I'm here at 70 Mile Buttes Trail, which is one of the part of the Grassland National Park, and this trail is about 4.5 kilometer in length and offers really scenic views of the Grassland National Park. So this is going to be really great experience hiking and flying drone out here, and at the end of the video I will have a cinematic footage of this park. So watch this video till end because it's going to be real fun. So friends, I have started hiking and I will be hiking up there. I'm almost halfway in. We have to go from here and we have to go and climb the hill up there. So friends, I finally reached the top of the hill and the views from here are really awesome. And now I will go towards the tip of the hill to fly the drone and take some cinematic footage. So I just completed the hike and it was really fun, and the views along the way were really nice. So I will add a cinematic footage after this shot, so do watch it. So that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel to follow my journey of everything outdoors.